Firstly, its ingredients, potatoes, carrots, peas, eggs, and mayonnaise, are readily available and easy to prepare. This makes it a versatile dish ideal for large gatherings and busy schedules. Secondly, its taste is a symphony of flavors and textures that complement each other beautifully. The smoothness of mayonnaise contrasts with the crunchiness of vegetables and eggs. The starchiness of potatoes balances out the lightness of peas, and the vibrant colors add a visual appeal that's hard to resist. Lastly, it's a dish that can be enjoyed by people from all walks of life. Vegans can substitute mayonnaise with vegan alternatives. Dieters can enjoy it in moderation, and those who are health-conscious can customize it with their preferred ingredients. In conclusion, Russian salad is popular at parties because it's easy to make, tastes amazing, and is adaptable to different dietary needs. So next time you throw a party or attend one, don't be surprised if you find this delicious dish on your menu. Thank you for joining me on this gastronomic journey. Until next time, bon appetit!